Hi, this is Keith with TacSol, and I want to show you one of our great products to upgrade your beat-up old 1022 rifle. What I have here is our stainless steel V-block for the 1022. What this does is when you're upgrading your barrel, helps eliminate any barrel droop and make sure that your new barrel is secure and tight in your 1022 receiver. I've gone ahead and removed the barrel receiver from the stock, and I've actually taken the trigger group off. However, that is not required to switch out your V-block on your rifle. To switch out your V-block and exchange your barrel, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and remove the barrel block and barrel block screws. Typically just takes a 5/32 Allen wrench. Once the screws are completely loosened, we can now remove the screws and the V-block from the rifle. I'm going to go ahead and now pull out the barrel. I'm now going to insert my lightweight and accurate TacSol X-RING Barrel. Make sure the barrel is lined up with the extractor on the bolt. Put on our stainless steel V-block. Insert the screws and tighten them down. Once the V-block screws have been torqued down, the rifle can now be reassembled. Thanks for watching. For more great products, please visit us at tacticalsol.com.